How to change display currency in the Bybit application. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are using the Bybit app and want to change the display currency for prices and asset values, then first of all, launch the Bybit app open on your device and log in if you haven't already to your account. Once you're inside, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon from the home page. Now on the next page, click on the gear icon at the top right, and this will take you to User Center. From here, select General and tap on Currency Display dropdown. Here, you'll see a list of currencies available. Choose the one by browsing through the list. Select the one you'd like to use, and once you do that, the app will automatically update the displayed values throughout your account. So that's how you successfully change the display currency in the Bybit application. Your balances and market values will now be shown in your selected currency. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.